Hello everyone, hope you have an amazing day. I'm up there with my channel Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you my new created smoothie. It's pineapple smoothie with arugula salad. It's a mix with vitamin C from pineapple, lemon and grapefruit. I will mix it with arugula salad and fresh ginger to make together a smoothie which helps to clean stomach and weight loss. Stay with me and let's start our smoothie. My recipe, I need a pineapple, so I'm gonna use pineapple. This is the correct way to clean it. Here I have my pineapple pieces here in the blender. And I have a little bit arugula salad, then just a little bit basil, and I will add a little bit lemon juice. I will just squeeze it here. I'm gonna add a little bit citrus juice also. Grapefruit, perfect. Then a little bit fresh ginger. Then I will add water, a glass of water, and then let the blender do the job. Our smoothie is ready, and we will serve it directly in a glass. Perfect. Here is our shake, pineapple, arugula and ginger shake. It's really energetic and a lot of vitamin C. I hope you will try it at home and give me feedback. See you next time, another recipe. Bye bye.